Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to connect headphones to the Xbox Series S. First, locate the 3.5mm headphone jack on your controller. Plug your headphones in. Then go to Settings, General, Volume and Audio Output. Go to Additional Options and accept Mute Speaker Audio when headset attached. Now you can listen to audio through your headphones. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.